Hello, how are you? Welcome in Ayesha Lecture. Today I will tell you about fraction. How do we see fraction in our daily life? The points that I will explain to you in my lecture. Point number 1, fraction. Point number 2, 1/2. Point number 3, 1/3. And the point number 4 is 1/4. What is fraction? Fraction represent equal parts of a whole or a collection. When we divide a whole into equal parts, each part is a fraction of the whole. Equal parts have the same shape and same size. This is fraction. What is 1/2? When something is divided into two equal parts, each equal part is called 1/2. Two halves together make a whole. What is 1/3? When something is divided into three equal parts, each equal part is called 1/3. 3/3 together make a whole. What is 1/4? When something is divided into four equal parts, each equal part is called 1/4. 4/4 together make a whole. In my next video, I will tell you about the types of fraction. Thank you.